Hi, welcome back to Sarah's Cookery Tips. Thanks for joining me again. Now today I'm going to make you the Cornish Pasties, a great winter warmer with some fabulous ingredients. So come on, let's get cracking. So you're going to need 400 grams of quality beef skirt. This can be purchased from your local butchers or there's leading supermarkets. 150 grams of suede, 300 grams of potatoes, 1 onion, salt and pepper to flavour, and the short crust pastry that we made on a previous video, which I will put the link to for you. And we're going to need a grater and a peeler. So first up then, we're going to peel the potatoes. And then slice the onion, peel and slice it. Now I've put this in for you. You can grate your potatoes using the slicer, but I did find it was better to use the knife to slice and dice. It just worked better for me. You can grate your potato, it's just I prefer to cut it. So yeah, and then we're going to just slice and dice the onion. It's a medium size onion you can use. Okay, we have the suede, which I've already peeled. It's 150 grams. So again, you just want to slice and dice this. So there you are, that's your filling mixture, vegetables. So then we go on to the beef skirt. It's a nice piece of meat to use. You can use other beef if you prefer, but this is the best one for Cornish pasties. So we're going to slice and dice and chop these up, and then we're ready to roll out the pastry. So flour your board and roll it out. It needs to be approximately 5mm in thickness. And then we're going to use a bowl or a side plate to cut out your circles. There's enough mixture here for 6. So then we're going to just mix an egg just to basically put around the edges of your dough so it will seal nice, comes like a glue. And you seal it together. And then we're going to crimp it. What you do is you just fold it in, nipping the pastry together and just folding it in towards the filling. gives this lovely shell effect. Maybe. Then goes the meat and your onions, sweet and potato. And salt and pepper to garnish, give it that bit of seasoning. Make sure you have preheated your oven. Fan assisted to be 165 degrees Celsius for conventional 185 degrees Celsius and for gas mark 3. So we're going to use the remainder of the egg just to baste the tops and glaze the Cornish pasties. And these are ready to go in the oven for 50 to 55 minutes or until they're golden brown. And here they are. Delicious. So there you are, that's how you make the Cornish pasties. I do hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, a nice big thumbs up would be appreciated. If you'd like to comment below about anything else you'd like to see or on this recipe I've done today, I would love to see your comments, and I'll see you soon with some more delicious recipes. Thanks.